Little Early English Education.
Whoa, look at this cool gray character. Hello, super learners. Welcome back. Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 90. Did you know Numberblock 90 is made of 9 groups of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's start drawing. First, draw one big rectangle for the main body. A wide, cool body. Perfect. Now draw vertical lines inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then draw 10 horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Watch the grid build up. 90 blocks. Now the face. Draw the eyes, add eye details and pupils. Next, draw eyebrows above the eyes. Now draw the happy smile with inside mouth and cheek line. Now draw the hands on both sides. Draw the legs at the bottom. Draw the stylish pocket on the side. And finally, draw the cool hair on top. At the very top, write 9090. Our drawing is complete. Hello everyone, I am Numberblock 90. I have 90 blocks and cool hair. Coloring time! Pick up black. Spell black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye pupils black. Now pick up navy blue. Spell navy blue. N-A-V-Y. B-L-U-E. Navy blue. Color the eye outlines, eyebrows, smile outline, hands, and legs. Navy blue.
Oops, a line, that's okay. Color fun comes every way. Count it out, here we go. Watch the numbers start to grow. 1 jumps in, 2 join 2, 3 and 4 say how do you do? 5 goes high, 6 goes wide, 7, 8 come side by side. 9 says
Now pick up light gray. Spell light gray. L-I-G-H-T. G-R-E-Y. Light gray. Color the first 30 blocks and the first hair light gray.
more blocks, more fun. Stack them up, we're not done. Big or small, short or tall, every number loves them all. Spin the colors, tap the beat. Drawing time is super sweet. Hands are busy, brains awake. Every block is ours to make. Finish now, let's take a look. Better than a storybook. Draw again another day. Numbers love to come and play. Hey, hey, what do we see? Art and numbers living free. Draw it, color it, count it through. Learning's fun when we make it new. La la la, la la la, la 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 la. Yeah! Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes, we begin step by step like a stage. Line goes up, line goes down. Every block
Now pick up gray. Spell gray. G-R-E-Y. Gray. Color the next 30 blocks and the second hair gray.
Yellow, green, this coloring time is fun. Number blocks appear alive. Every number we create, one by one they come alive. This magic feels so great. Color, color, color inside. Feel it soft and neat and bright. Use your crayons, use your markers. Make your picture feel just right. Shine the picture, let it glow. This drawing time feels so alive. Number blocks are happy friends. Learning helps our minds to thrive. Count with me, 1 to 10. Let the color start again. 11, 12, 13, 14. Every block becomes a friend. All colors! Ready, steady, here we go. Grab your colors, start the show. Draw it fast, draw it right. Number blocks are in our sight. Box by box, build it up. Stack them tall, fill them up. Left side, right side, draw the line. Make those numbers look just fine. Color drop, color splash. Red and blue go super fast.
Now pick up dark gray. Spell dark gray. D-A-R-K. G-R-E-Y. Dark gray.
Go, go, color go, color go. Fast hands, let the colors flow. In and out, don't stop now. Look at what we're making. Wow! Count it loud, count it strong. Numbers jumping all along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blocks are moving, feel alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go up and start again. More blocks, more fun. Higher numbers, number run. Spin the colors, tap the beats. Drawing time is super sweet. Fast and fun and full of cheer. Number blocks are dancing here. Up, down, down, side to side. Up, down, side to side. Color races, take the ride. Fill it quick, fill it clean. Brightest picture ever seen. Big reveal, here it comes. Look what we made. Awesome fun. Smile wide, jump around. Number
And color the pocket with light gray again.
color it, count it through. Fast and fun, just me and you.
And done! Number block 90 looks super cool.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.